Are you looking for the best pedal exercisers? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best pedal exercisers that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Desk Cycle Pedal Exerciser, Magnetic. This pedal exerciser with 24 inches long and wide base is one of the most used under desk pedal exercisers. To find out why, read the detailed review of Desk Cycle Mini Pedal Exerciser. It has one of the widest ranges of resistance, 130 watts, which means you will probably never use that level in the office since it's going to make you sweat, but it's a unique feature for pedal exercisers under desk. The resistance mechanism of this pedal exerciser is magnetic, which creates a smooth and quiet pedaling motion. Basically, you put your age, height, weight, duration of your workout, the resistance level and the distance, and it tells you exactly how many calories you burned on this pedal exercise under the desk. Pretty cool and more accurate from what's shown on the digital display of the Desk Cycle under desk exerciser. Desk Cycle Mini Exercise Bike comes with large pedals and adjustable Velcro straps to keep your feet firm on the pedal exerciser, Velcro tether to keep the bike from sliding on the floor, and a display stand so you can put the digital display on your desk to monitor the workout values. With the good solid quality and the lowest pedal height of only 10 inches, Desk Cycle is one of the best pedal exercisers in the entire market. The only downside is that it's a leg pedal, so you can use it only for your lower body. Note, the rear base feet of this mini exercise bike is relatively long and comes in contact with the chairs that have wheels, and it causes the chair to slide backward. The Desk Cycle pedal exerciser is not designed for the arm workout. Overall, it's one of the best stationary pedal exercisers for seniors as well as those working in the office. Number 2. Kando 01 to 8030 Magnesizer Pedal Exerciser. The Kando Magnesizer is a super quiet with a magnetic bidirectional resistance and an all-encompassing compact yet sturdy device. Its heavy-duty design makes it ideal for clinics, but because it is light and portable, it is easy to use at home as well. Because it is so quiet, it is an ideal addition to a workspace where you can work out without distracting fellow colleagues. It comes equipped with hand and foot straps, and it has an ergonomic hand grip which creates greater comfort and security. It is also easy to assemble and uses 2 AA batteries. Uses and capabilities. Compared to a traditional stationary bike, this has added advantages. Firstly, because it is small and lightweight, it is easy to transport it from one location to another. Its magnetic resistance makes sure that the process of exercising is not only smooth but also quiet. It comes equipped with an adjustable base which enhances its stability and storage, and it can be used as an arm and a leg exerciser. This machine is perfect for both upper as well as lower body workouts and as arm and leg pedalers. Because of this versatility, it can provide a full body workout. Since the equipment is not motorized, it doesn't require any muscle strength in order to operate. Pros. The equipment is smooth and easy to pedal. It is great for those recovering from a knee replacement. It is well constructed, compact, and provides great value for money. Number 3. QBE Pro Under Desk Elliptical. Technically speaking, the QBE Pro is not a pedal exercise. The exercising motion on the QBE Pro resembles more to an elliptical trainer, hence why the machine is termed as a seated under-desk elliptical. Although not exactly a mini exercise bike, we decided to include it here because this home office exercise machine provides many of the same benefits pedal exercisers do. Easily fits under any desk. 2 advantages make the QBE Pro ideal for under-desk placement. First, it has a very low profile. The machine is very close to the floor. This makes your knees less likely to bump into your desk as you exercise. The second advantage is the pedaling, or should we rather say stepping motion. The elliptical stepping motion on the QBE means your knees are not going too high off the ground as they do with a pedaling motion. Pros and things we like. Syncs with your phone workout apps. The QBE can sync with your iPhone and Android phones via Bluetooth. You can view your workout stats on your phone and even your Fitbit. You can share your workout stats with friends and compete against them. This is more fun and can also boost your motivation to work out more. Ultra low impact. We already mentioned that pedaling on a mini exercise bike is considered a low impact workout. However, the QBE Pro provides even lower impact. Since the QBE Pro uses an elliptical motion in a seated position, the potential knee impact is lower than that of pedaling. For people with existing or potential knee issues, an under-desk elliptical can be a better solution than an under-desk pedal exerciser. Number 4. Magnetrainer Mini Exercise Bike. In this mini pedal exerciser review, the Montana has the second position for good reasons. The Magnetrainer Mini Exercise Bike is a top-rated pedal exerciser that has few differences with the Desk Cycle and other desk exercise bike pedal exercisers. In this review, we will go over the features that make them different. Magnetrainer Mini Exercise Bike comes with a magnetic resistance system, and the highest range is 170 watts max, unlike Desk Cycle pedal exerciser that has 130 watts max. The other good feature is the Ergo hand grip. Magnetrainer pedal exerciser is designed for upper and lower body, hand and foot pedal exerciser, unlike Desk Cycle which is designed only for legs. The Magnetrainer compact pedal exerciser has 15 to 20 inches adjustable length, which is good if you don't have much space under your desk, while Desk Cycle has a 24 inches non-adjustable length, which is the biggest downside of it. However, what sets Desk Cycle pedal exerciser at the top of our list is the lowest height of the pedal in the mini bike industry. It's only 10 inches, while Magnetrainer is 15 inches. In everything else, these top pedals exercises match exactly the same. They are both featured with a magnetic drive belt system which makes them quiet and smooth. None of them are jerky nor at low resistance nor at high resistance. Both of these home pedal exercisers have wide platforms and solid bases. However, the Magnetrainer Mini Exercise Bike is better used, not under the desk due to its height. Number 5. Pedal Exerciser by Vive. The Pedal Exercise by Vive is a welcome addition in any home. It is compact and can be concealed from sight easily, yet it is sturdy and can be used to strengthen arms and legs, increase stamina, relieve tension and increase a user's focus and concentration. Since it's so quiet and smooth, it can easily be used at the office or at home. It is only 12.5 inches high, which makes it easy to slip under any desk. Its non-slip, non-marking feet allow the pedal exerciser to stay in one place, and the design adds to its sturdiness. The pedals also have a non-slip surface with molded finger grips and toe loops which increase the safety as well as the comfort. Uses and capabilities. The 1-year guarantee makes the pedal exercises one of the best. It has dual capability as it increases your productivity while strengthening and toning muscles at home. The non-slip pedal bars can accommodate different types of shows, and it can also be used as a low-impact arm exerciser. The resistance levels are adjustable, and the tension knob creates a more personalized exercise experience. It is an ideal device for those who are just beginning to work out as well as those who are recovering from an injury. The LCD screen is easy to read and displays RPM, time, speed, distance and calories with just a touch of a button. Pros: it is sturdy and durable. It has a smooth glide. The unit comes mostly assembled, and the tools are also provided. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.